Hello guys, today I come back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nishant Raj, and today I will share you a great information about some technical things, and you can get some more help after listening this. So I will tell you some important things about one of the application name is ChatGPT. So uh, if I will scroll like little, then I will get ChatGPT here. Uh, Nearby the Chrome browser, there is a ChatGPT in my mobile. Open just I opened it, and after that, I will tell you some great information about ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you can get everything like emails, like information, like your questions, answers, everything. Okay. First of all, I will tell you one thing. Uh, if you want to, if you don't know about how to download ChatGPT, then uh, I'm going to tell you how to download the ChatGPT. So you have to go to the Play Store. Here is the Play Store in my phone. Tap on the search button and tap here, right here, Chat GPT. Okay, Chat GPT. So here, Chat GPT is saying now you can. Uh, Actually, I have already downloaded, so that's why Chat GPT is the button is opened, and you can also see installed here. So but when you will started going download the Chat GPT, then you can get install button, but in my phone, in my case, only open is because I have already installed. So just opening, and after that, actually when you opened this, that time you will it will ask you for sign in. So already I have signed it because I will take just I'm telling you, my name is Nishant Raj and everything is there. Okay, so just back, and after that, suppose that I want to know some information about anything like what is love. What is love? Just press here, so it will tell you what is love. What is love? Now it is describing you right now, is one of the most enduring and complex question in human experience. Love can be described from many angles: emotional, physically, psychologically, biological, philosophical, and even spiritual. Here are the some prospects. Biologically, love is cocktail of chemical: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and adrenaline. These create feelings of attachment, pleasure, and bonding, especially in romantic and familial relationship. Emotionally and psychologically, love often means a connection, a deep sense of emotional intimacy and understanding, care, wanting the best for someone even at your own expense. Community, choosing to stay with someone through good and bad. Vulnerability, being open and authentic, knowing you could be hurt. Philosophically, love has been debated by thinkers from Plato to bell hooks. First point, Plato spoke of love as a path of the divine and ideal. In reach from describe love as an art that requires knowledge, effort, and practice. Bell hooks saw love as an action, not just a feeling, rooted in care, commitment, trust, and respect. Spiritually, many religious and spiritual traditions see love as a divine or transcendent force. Christianity, God is love. Buddhism emphasizes meta loving kindness for all being. Sufism, Islamic mythism views love as the soul longing for unity with divine. Pop culture just for fun. As Hadway asked, "What is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more." A classic lyric showing love's painful side. In summary, love is a powerful force that can mean different things depending on context: romantic, familial, platonic, or universal. At its best, it involves care, just growth, and connection. Would you like uh, would you like to explore any particular type of love? Example: romantic love, unconditionally. Now I'm telling to you that if you will ask anything, suppose that just I asked to it what is love simply, but it given me a very big answer, and it's a very complicated words also he it used. So uh, just if you did not understand, then you have to write here what is love, what is love. But give me give me answer, give me answer in simple language, simple language, very simple, very simple language. Now you can get I think it would be, it will give a very uh, simple language. Love is when you care about someone deeply. Now you can understand very easily because the language is very simple. It's given. So it means you want them to be happy, you feel good when you are with them, and you are kind and patient with them. Love can be between family or friends or partners. Partners, love can be between partners, you know, okay. And it's about trust, support, and being there for each other. Love is caring, sharing, and staying close even when are hard. Okay, so now you can you get very understand because the simple, it's a very, use very simple language. Okay. And if you want, suppose that you want to get information about some pics. Okay. Just suppose that you want to know, like I'm just giving you one example. I'm just trying one example. Okay. um, just click on the photos. After that, choose one photos. Okay. Just uploaded here, and after that I will ask to it that describe this photo. uh, Describe this photo in simple language, simple language. Now I will get answer. uh, Oh, you know very well. This is Lord Shiva with Trishul. Now you can get answer also. This image is a powerful and artistic depiction of Lord Shiva, a major Hindu god unknown as destroyer and transformer in the Holy Trinity, along with Brahma and Vishnu. Describe this description in simple language. Picture shows Lord Shiva standing on a hill. He's holding a trident in an hand and prayer braids Rudraks Mala in the other. The sun is setting or rising behind him, creating a glowing effect. Background has temples and flags, showing a holy and spiritual setting. The overall color of the image is orange and red, giving it a divine and energetic feel. At the bottom, the Tamil script says, pronounce Shiva Shiva, which means Shiva Shiva, a chant often used in prayer. This image represents devotion, strength, peace, and spirituality connected with Lord Shiva. In the lastly, I want to share with you one thing that if you will ask anything with ChatGPT, then it you will get answer very soon. It's a very fast and working. Like you can get maths answer also. Like even you can ask everything, whatever you have problem, like about your health, about your anything. In the last way, I'm just telling you that please subscribe my channel and get more information about technical things, and very good information. So you can stay with me and follow my channel and share my channel and do comments if you like this video. And now I'm going to create a new video for you. I will come back again with the next video for next time. So Jai Hind, bye bye.